If you've been looking in the under 450 range, you already know that is a tough thing to find in this market. If you've been looking in Christiana, under 450, even tougher. And if you've been looking for under 450 on a huge lot, almost a double lot, backing to trees, you know it's almost impossible. Today I've got it for you, packaged beautifully. Tucked out in Christiana, yet just minutes to town, 213 Winding Branch sits on nearly a double lot at just over a third of an acre. Even better, it backs up to trees and a field that's owned and maintained by the county, so it can't be developed. Great privacy. Inside, it's a bright, light, open floor plan with a large den opening to either a dining room or an office as they're currently using it. Beautiful flooring that's a mix of wood and a neutral tile. Moving into the kitchen, nice painted cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless appliances. There's also a bar area, plus a breakfast room, laundry, and half bath. Upstairs, a massive landing/bonus room with the bedrooms spread into the corners. There's bedroom 2, bedroom 3, with a shared full bath. Then a large master zoned on the front side of the house with a gorgeous master bath and a master closet that's so big it could easily be half closet and even half computer area for those of you that work from home. That's a look at 213 Winding Branch in Long Creek. It hits the market now. For more information, visit justinholder.com. And as always, to discuss marketing your property, unlike anybody else in this area, with over 400% more exposure, I'd love to visit with you as well.